Let us see about this in operator now. In operator. So in operator allows you to determine if a value matches any value in a list of values. Okay, so that in operator will be checking you the values which are matching in any of their column. So let me give you some example here. So let me take a same example, the country column. So let me execute this. Yeah, so inside this country column you have various countries. Suppose let me use select star from the customers table, where your country in, so let me use USA, France, and run this. So what it will do, it will check these values inside your country column. So now you get all the values where you find the country France and USA. Suppose if I want some other country, for example, I now let me add a few more countries here. Apart from USA, France, I can take Spain. You can see Spain, and I can take Poland also. Poland. So these all countries inside the country column will be included, and you get all the columns from that. Or if you want only few columns, you can take country column and execute this. So this record will have only one column country, and in that one column it will include only the values which are inside this list. Okay, so list of values. Let me execute this. Now you can see only the values which are inside this list of values. This is how the in operator works.